Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video I'm here and I'm going to be doing an unboxing for some designer products. I've never really shown too much interest in designer until these last few weeks, and recently I've just said, hey, why don't I pick up some pieces that I think, I maybe enjoy. And I saw these pieces, I was like, yep, I definitely need to go for these.
Track 3. This track is called Sicko Mode. Track 3. Oh, wait! What?
And I mean, it wasn't like, I don't know, I'm speaking of it like it's a Supreme drop, but I've decided to cop some pieces, and I'm definitely gonna be styling those and using them in the future, and I'm very excited to actually do this unboxing video. Probably didn't sound very enthusiastic there, but I'm actually excited to show you all this. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video. If you're new, subscribe, drop a like, and let's get started on it. Okay, so this first item I've actually wanted for a while, and I'm excited I got it. I did get it for $99, which is a good deal, and the reason I got it for $99 is that there is some signs of wear in it, but it is a Louis Vuitton wallet in this sort of colorway right here, so hopefully y'all can see that, the Louis Vuitton logo right there, and this pattern, this feels really nice, I'm not gonna lie, like this is pleasing. But looking at that, really basic, yellow on the outside, purple on the inside, sort of like a Lakers colorway as the guy described it, which I obviously can agree with. And there you go, it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. And really good leather on the inside. This is a coin pouch. I already got some coins in there, and I think this item's cool. I like the colorway. I'm not really a huge fan of Lakers. Like, I don't follow it that closely, but looking at that, this is a cool item. I'm glad I picked it up, especially for $99. The signs of wear on it though are right there, as you guys can see. Like, you can just see all like the sort of marks right there. Those are the signs of wear that the guy was talking about, and hence why I'd be selling it for cheaper. The guy sells like a bunch of Louis Vuitton and Burberry and things like that, so I'm glad I got this item for $99. And yes, it is authentic. You guys can check me as much as you want down below. Here's a good picture of it, so you guys can even go look for it yourself and legit check it. I'll give you guys a bunch of views there. Like, it's legit, and I can guarantee that. I'll even bet this on it. Like, this is a legit item. But yeah, Louis Vuitton wallet. Very glad I picked it up. And I took out all my stuff that I had in it. Like, I had stuff in it, but it's gone obviously because I don't want to show anything there. But looking at that, cool item. Super glad I have this wallet. And colorway is cool. Even though Lakers got a dope colorway. Like, that's a fact. But aside from the wallet, that's not the only thing we got. Don't worry, we're gonna make an unboxing, more than one item. I promise. I've been waiting, I think, 2 to 3 weeks on this. I haven't shown like many people other than my close friends any of these items. I don't even think my friends know about this one. They knew about this one because obviously they saw it, but I haven't told anybody about these. So this unboxing is, I haven't previewed it on my Instagram like I have sometimes, but this is a Burberry shoulder bag right here. Y'all can see this. So basically in the center, yes, it is authentic. It says Burberry's though. So if y'all just confusing it, it's Burberry, but they spelled it with the S there, and this is authentic. Don't worry, the guy sells all stuff, sells legitimate items. Actually, I'm gonna put it in front right there so you guys can see that. There's obviously the Burberry pattern, and you have a horse right there, and also on the back you also have a similar one right here. Now the reason this guy was selling it for cheap is because there's like wear, you guys can tell obviously here, and on like the shoulder strap you guys can tell there's some signs of wear, and that's why he was selling this for cheap. But I got it for $139, and I think that's a huge steal because I think I checked online, it was like $400, $500 for this. So I mean, to get it for like $139 is crazy. And I'm super excited I got this. Definitely going to be using this at like SneakerCon or sneaker events that I'm able to go to. I'm not able to go to Atlanta because other things, but yeah, this item's, I'm super glad to have it. And this is, again, like, just, I feel like Burberry, this is a dope concept, and actually I'm going to put it on because y'all probably wondering. Obviously it's going to look whack with this shirt. I mean, yeah, this is pretty cool. Put it on the side or on the back. It's, whatever you prefer. I probably would just wear it here, but yeah, it's sort of like a man purse shoulder bag sort of thing. But opens up. Got a lot of space inside it, and that's what I think when you're making a purchase. I think you obviously need to have something that can actually carry stuff. And that can carry a lot of stuff. It's got some space in there, and yeah, very excited to have this item. And just getting some more details. You got some stuff like right there, but probably will not focus, or there it is, but you all can see maybe that. But yeah, there's the wear, y'all can really tell there, and hence why we sell it for cheaper. But looking at it, I'm super glad to have this item. And yeah, this is, it's just been the unboxing right here. So those are the items, but I still do have to do my 20K giveaway. I'm gonna delay it a little bit more, but then I'm gonna get into that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions of what I should give away for 20K, let me know down below. I'll be looking at all that. And let me know what you all think of the pickups. Do you think I got a good price for them? Do you think they're worth it? Because I got both of them for a total of like $238. So let me know if you guys think that price is worth it for 2 items, a Burberry shoulder bag and then a Louis Vuitton wallet. Let me know if $239 is a good price you guys think. And yeah, I really do appreciate you guys' support. You all have always been showing. This video is going to be out today, and I just hope you guys enjoyed as always. So if you did, subscribe and like. That's it. That's all I gotta do. Really simple. Like it's free. I get annoyed when people say that, but you know it really is. So if you want to do that, go ahead. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. It's probably annoying at those points. So just thank you all for watching. Peace out.